मुझे लगता है कि जरूर प्रधानमंत्री की तरफ से वो लगातार ये बात कहते रहे हैं। आज भी उन्होंने दोहराया होगा कि डॉक्टर्स जो हमारे एक तरह से इस लड़ाई में सबसे आगे बढ़कर भूमिका निभा रहे हैं, वो सराहना के पात्र हैं और देश की तरफ से उनको
All right, so these are the these are the latest visuals on our screen right now coming in of the Prime Minister, in fact, interacting with the top doctors from across the country. This after we have seen as to how a resurgence of the virus in the country, the second wave that we are still witnessing in the country. Latest images of the Prime Minister meeting with the top doctors across the country to, in a way, understand the current situation as well. Going across to my colleague Niranjan as well, joining us. Niranjan, over to you. We are getting in the first images of the Prime Minister interacting with the top doctors in the country.
These are first pictures coming in of the Prime Minister's interaction with topmost doctors. We just saw in one of those frames, Dr. Devi Shetty was also there. Dr. Devi Shetty, Dr. Shashank Joshi, who's also part of the Maharashtra COVID Task Force. So, and I think I saw Dr. Jailal as well. So, India's biggest experts. And those who've been, also, interacting with Republic TV. In fact, we've had the opportunity to speak to each of these doctors, and these are the first pictures of the Prime Minister's interaction. And the Prime Minister, after this particular meeting ends, also has a second follow-up meeting with pharma giants. And these are the first pictures coming in of the Prime Minister meeting. The biggest experts. This is. He's meeting healthcare professionals. He's meeting experts in the field. Dr. Jailal of the IMA, I just saw him. Dr. Devi Shetty of Narayana Hridyalaya, I just saw him there. Dr. Shashank Joshi of the task force, COVID task force here in Maharashtra. So some of India's biggest names, and I think more pictures are coming in on news agency ANI now. So we'll stay with ANI as it gets you the latest pictures of the Prime Minister's interaction. These are first pictures on Republic TV, and we're getting you the latest coverage. And the Prime Minister having a very detailed conversation with everyone. I think I just saw Dr. Naresh Trihan of Medanta as well, as he gets a first-hand feedback from the experts who are looking at the pandemic, who are dealing with the pandemic, and he's speaking to them. He's speaking to them, and he's getting a first-hand response. And he's getting the ground situation, because most of these experts have been outspoken. Very, very pertinent to tell our viewers that on Republic, some of these experts who have been live have been very, very vocal. They've been vocal about what needs to be done in a situation like this. For example, Dr. Devi Shetty, when he was live on Republic TV a few weeks back, he was very vocal about the fact that we need universal vaccination. More and more people need to be vaccinated. He especially spoke about the youth. So you just briefly heard Dr. Devi Shetty also interacting there, and some of these images also telling you that perhaps as a follow-up after this meeting, there will be a second meeting with the pharma giants. That's the meeting that we are also looking out for, because we have some information that the Prime Minister is expected to make some announcements of sorts. So while we stay with these pictures, let's tell our viewers Dr. V.K. Paul of Niti Aayog was also there. He's been speaking about the India's preparedness and also what needs to be done vis-a-vis some myths that he spoke of earlier, busting those myths. So these are some of the updates that we have as of this minute. The Prime Minister, after this, will have a follow-up meeting as well, as we get you the ground update. On the ground, you just saw those pictures of people rushing in Delhi, especially. There has been it's been a little chaotic, if I can say that, because of the last-minute rush. People are rushing because they have very little time before 10 o'clock when the mini lockdown is imposed. And like that, similar situations, similar scenes being witnessed in different parts of the country as well. There is a general fear of more measures perhaps being taken, and that is why there is a sudden rush. So we'll keep an eye on the situation, Richa. These are the first pictures, in fact, coming in of the Prime Minister. He's getting a first-hand, feedback from those who are in the middle of this pandemic. Our heroes, our frontline heroes, our healthcare workers, and our experts who have been, not just treating COVID patients. They've been at the forefront of this battle against COVID. For example, Dr. Devi Shetty, he's been on our panel several times, and he's spoken, and he's very outspoken about what needs to be done. And one of the points that he made while speaking to Republic TV was that you need to broad base the vaccination age. He spoke about how super spreaders were in the young category, and how more and more younger people were perhaps, in his view, contracting COVID, and that he was of the view that we need to broad base the vaccination. So that too, we're hoping that some of those points were also made with the Prime Minister, because we're expecting some movement on vaccines, and some measures perhaps are being taken by the government as well. And let me tell you, we're expecting some announcement. But I'm handing it over to you, because we're also getting in some updates on what the Allahabad High Court has said. They have intervened. We'll go across to Ridhuman Bharadwaj as well. But I think across India there is a sense now, as we all have to work as one, and we need to stay strong and fight it together. And that's why you will see that even the courts are beginning to intervene. The courts are beginning to intervene. The government going into an emergency mode right now as we record. We are recording record figures. We're recording record figures of COVID-19, and it is a situation where everybody will have to fight together once again, like we did in the first wave, and hopefully we will defeat the second wave as well. So these are some of the broad updates that we have, and we will keep you updated on the situation in the national capital. There's a key meeting that is on at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, there will be a second meeting of the Prime Minister with the pharma giants. And let's see where the story goes.
All right, thank you, Niranjan, for getting us that update. So the first images on our screen right now coming in of the Prime Minister meeting the leading doctors in the country in the first step taken by the Prime Minister to help curb the COVID pandemic, the second surge that we are witnessing in the country.